To Brad, you've been warning all week that these tornadoes were a possibility.
Yeah, and now you're breaking down the damage that we saw from a bird's eye view as well.
Yeah, we've got a couple angles to show you. We'll start with the tornado maps first. This was the track of the storm. Only 1.3 miles, but it had 100-mile-an-hour winds with it, and it was 40 miles wide across Mount Ulla. I'll also tell you that we just got the map in from North Wilkesboro, which was the other tornado we saw last night. This was an EF1, 105 to 110-mile-per-hour winds, and this was 3 miles long and 300 yards wide. So oftentimes people will ask, how do you tell the difference between tornado damage and straight line wind damage? One of the biggest myths is people think the trees are twisted. Any vertical structure twists in any type of wind. What you're really looking for is which direction does the debris lay. In this case, this was the drone footage of the tornado damage around Mount Ulla. You see the tree damage. Some of the trees are laying this way, other ones are laying that way, some are laying in this direction. They're scattered in different directions, which is a sign that initially wind came in this way, then wrapped around and moved the other way. It's not the twisting of trees. That has nothing to do with the tornado. It's more how the damage lays. Now, straight line winds in this case, all the trees would be laying in one direction. So getting the bird's eye view really tells you a lot about the damage. And then once you get on the ground, you can see the damage even closer up. And that allows you to kind of confirm whether it was a tornado or straight line wind damage. And by the way, 90% of the damage we see here from storms does come from straight line winds. And remember, we always say wind is wind. Doesn't matter. 70, 80, 100-mile-an-hour winds, whether it's straight or rotating, it's always going to cause damage.